In the book, you discuss knowledge, understanding, and intelligence. And I've always kind of heard it said knowledge, understanding, and wisdom. And so I was wondering how wisdom fits into that correlation in that discussion, I guess, the pyramid of knowledge, understanding, and intelligence.
Good. Now I'm going to give you an answer that you will find totally unsatisfactory. You ready? That is a brilliant question, and I would not rob you of the learning opportunity of digging and finding your own answer to that question. You can take the exact same thing with doctrine, principle, and application. It's pretty easy to see that the plan of happiness is a doctrine. Obedience is a principle. And then you can come up with multiple applications that grow out of the principle of obedience, right? Well, what's a law? What are the laws of the gospel? Is obedience a law? Is that someplace in between doctrine and principle? That's the similar question to what you've asked. Those are magnificent, and you really don't want an answer from me. What you want to do is take a piece of paper and just scribble around, doodle, play, experiment. The messiness of that is really fun, and it's edifying in terms of learning. And as you just play around, as you're acting, the Holy Ghost will enlighten your mind, and you will thereby get the answer to your question. So I'm not trying to mess with you, but I really would not take away from you the chance to